Ellie, no trying to pass the puzzle buck to your brother. It wasn't it. No, it wasn't. Yeah, Ellie. We're back to the scene of the crime. Yes. What did you do? You chewed up Dad's puzzle. It's going to be a gift. And we'll give it to someone who's very good at puzzles but doesn't mind missing pieces. Yes. Yes. We know it. We know. It's not puzzling who did it. So far we've taken out the lids to 3 bankers' boxes. Yeah. Even though we've got toys, we like cardboard. We really like the cardboard the toys come on, so it's really quite a nice gift. But yeah, this, not so much. Ellie, Ellie, Ellie. What am I going to do with you? Michael, what's with that sister of yours? Oh, Ellie. Yeah, just trying to be innocent. Chew your pineapple. Amidst the puzzle carnage. Ellie. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're guilty. Yeah. Ellie, Ellie, Ellie. Funny girl. Funny ears. Love you, Ellie. Love you, Mikey. Amazing you're off the hook this time.